Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to fix this error. Like when if you have installed Fedora and you are trying to update it, and it shows an error like this: OpenH264 R mirrors were tried. If you are using this software trying to update from here, or if you are trying to update here by sudo dnf up using this command, and you face this OpenH264 error or mirrors were tried. So I'll show you how to fix it. You can fix it by first you need to open this software, then you need to search Proton VPN. You need to install this. When you will install this, when it's installed, open this. It will for first users, first time if you are using it, it will ask you to log in, so you need to create an account. It's a free software, so it won't ask you money. Just create account, login, and then just click quick connect. After doing this, you can come here. If you use this software to update, then just update. You can now update it and it won't show this error or mirrors were tried. Or you if you use this sudo dnf up, you update from this terminal, then also it won't show this error. So that's how you can fix it by using a VPN. Because the first time I've installed, I had also encountered this error, and I fixed it by using VPN. One more time I have faced this error while I was updating from Fedora 41 to Fedora 42. Then also I encountered this error, and that time also I just use VPN to update. That's how you can fix it.